Welcome to Zaphian World, where magical adventures and cute friends await.
Come together, one and all, let's sing a song today. In the world of magic colors, we will learn and play. Red is for the apple sweet, red the flower bud. Look at the red kite flying high in the sky above. Blue is for the endless sky, blue the river flow. In the deep blue ocean waves, fish play in a row. Yellow is the bright sun, yellow mango tree. Yellow marigolds in the sun make our hearts feel sweet. Green grass and green leaves, green parrot in the tree. Seeing all this nature green, happy as can be. White crane and white clouds, white milk in the jar. White pigeon brings us peace, spreading near and far. Black is for the silky hair, black the dark of night. In this fair of many colors, everything is bright. Now we know the colors well, singing with our might. Let the colors fill our hearts with joy and pure delight.
Hi everyone, please subscribe to my channel. Just click the button below. Thanks!